Are you looking to incorporate some greenery here and there in indoors, and decorate with beautiful houseplants for small areas, such office rooms, or entryway area, or for tabletop decor that have very distinct foliage and attractive looking? You got it, here this episode is for you. In this episode we look into beautiful indoor plants perfect for the small space gardener. These indoor plants are perfect fit for office rooms or as tabletop decor to add visual appeal. Let's check the plant details. Number 1. Anthurium. Anthurium andrianum, also called flamingo flower or lace leaf, is one of the most striking and recognizable houseplants. It has glossy spade-like leaves and compass lustrous, vivid flowers. It needs bright, indirect light. Number 2. Bromeliad. Bromeliad have very splashy flower display with its astonishing array of colors and textures. Easily adapt to average home condition, prefer low light condition. Number 3. Calathea lancifolia. One of the more unique looking of the Calathea plant is Calathea lancifolia, its oversized long leaves marked by spots, which lends itself to the name rattlesnake plant. Calathea loves well-draining soil that never gets dry or soggy, medium light and high humidity. It's safe for pets and children. Let's few other Calathea varieties which have stunning striped leaves to velvet feel plants. Number 4. Jade Plant. Jade Plant is a popular succulent houseplant. With its fleshy, oval-shaped leaves with smooth, glowing and attractive surface it adds visual appeal. Jade plant like bright light, easy to care. Number 5. Peperomia albovitata. Peperomia is a petite, easy to care for, and pretty. Peperomia is uniquely patterned leaves draws immediate attention. The patterned leaves and shades of green, purple, and black create a unique look. Like many other Peperomia, it too is a succulent plant. Number 6. Monstera adansonii, common name is Swiss cheese vines. Swiss cheese vine makes a perfect evergreen house plant for both beginners and experts. It is famous for its unique leaf holes and notches. Swiss cheese vine thrive in medium to bright indirect light. Number 7. Sago Palm. Sago Palm is a slow-growing subtropical plant. It have dark green and lush with sturdy foliage to add beauty to the indoors. Sago Palm needs bright light, grows well in warm climate zone, give it light every day. Number 8. Orchids. Orchids are beautiful when they bloom, it is definitely a eye-catcher. Orchids need a lot of bright and indirect light, water once a week, try to pour it under the plant's leaves, keep them in a warmer room. Number 9. Polka Dot Plant. Polka Dot Plant is great in containers, attractive foliage, delightful plant for indoors. One of the most effortless houseplants. Number 10. Begonia. Begonias are some of the most beautiful, visually interesting plants you can grow indoors. Begonias come in countless colors, sizes, and shapes. Number 11. Yucca cane. Yucca plants are stylish, versatile and low maintenance. It have bush-like, ball-shaped and the overall picture with sword-shaped single leaves to its beauty. It needs very bright, sunny and well ventilated. Do not overwater it, check moisture levels of the soil before watering again. Number 12. Purple Waffle Plant. Purple Waffle Plant botanical name is Hemigryphus alternata. The colorful purple waffle plant produces rich purple tinted foliage with a crinkly look. It prefers bright and direct light, but not direct sun. Purple waffle is non-toxic to pets and humans. Number 13. Christmas Cactus. Christmas cactus common name is holiday cactus. It starts blooming flowers around the end of the year, near the Christmas holiday, very nice and attractive tabletop plant. A very good addition for holiday season. Holiday cacti prefer partial shade or diffused light. There is another episode that shares information about beautiful and healthy indoor plants, such as Alocasia poly, snake plant, spider plant, pothos and Dracaena plants and more. These indoor plants are beneficial to keep healthy indoors, with quality air, and keeps indoors decorative and attractive. Link to the video is provided in description area. Please watch it.
I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you like the content of this video, do not forget to like, and post a comment. Consider to subscribe to House Talks channel for more interesting videos. Have a great day.